moving.
Can I look at you? Oh! That's nasty.
That's creepy.
Is that the best take? That's the best take. That fits his face perfect. Go Golem, it's your birthday. It's not too bad. Try can I get a shot from your back so you can see the whole body, see what it's like. Do you think that's okay though?
I
Just
think
the height?
that's cool. Be good if you did do the whole body. Like the whole body was moving as well. But that'd be too difficult to check, wouldn't it? I don't like kids, give me the willies.
It's funky though, eh? It'd be better once I've painted it clay colour.
Ooh.
Does it go all the way around the side of the heat?
No, but you can see it from the side, it looks really weird. Did you see it when it's... Oh.
I think there's about 2 more takes left after this blank.
I like it from the side.
It's horrible, it's so horrible looking at yourself, looking at you.
It's weird because you're moving, so the image is moving slightly, but it looks really weird on here.
Do you think it'd be alright if it was static?
Aye.
I think it'd be more realistic if it was static. This is a different expression.
Oh. That's freaky.
I think I'm nose close enough. Oh, there we go. That better?
Aye. That's pretty spot on.
This is the one you got a fright at.
Aye. Yeah? Did you write about me in your essay? Yeah.
That's alright though. I just need to make the edits. Do you think I should make the video weird? Do you think I should put it on the Premiere Pro and make it weird?
That looks really creepy.
Because see, if I made the video weird, I could put this projector like further back at a further back angle, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And then it'd be further away from it, so it'd be easier to hide it.
So this is a kind of Dundee one.
Oh, hold that. Look at that. You can't look at that, but...
Is it getting the whole face?
That's pretty spot on. It looks... Aye.
So the last one?
Aye.
That's pretty fucked up looking like.
That's pretty spot on.
It's
like he was coming at his head.
It's funny.
It was doing that again. It was like he was coming at his head.
See if we can get his eyes open. I think this is the last one actually. You see the eyes open again.
Bloody batteries are practically dead already.
Terrible, eh? Right, cool. I think it does. Groovy. Right.